Welcome to Profit Path, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Here we break down personal finance, investing, and smart money habits, so you can build wealth, not just survive. No complicated jargon, no get-rich-quick scams, just real, practical strategies to help you grow your money. If you're ready to take control of your finances and secure your future, subscribe now and start your journey on the Profit Path. Let's start with the struggle of saving money on a low income. You work hard every day, yet by the time your paycheck arrives, it's already gone. Bills, rent, food, and somehow there's never enough left to save. You try cutting back, no eating out, no extras. But life keeps throwing unexpected expenses your way. And let's be real, saving money feels impossible when every dollar is accounted for. But what if I told you that even on a low income, you can save money? Not by skipping coffee, but by using smart strategies the wealthy use. Today, I'm revealing practical, realistic money-saving tips for 2025. Tips designed for real people with real struggles, just like you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your finances, even if you feel like you're drowning right now. Ready to finally break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? Let's begin. Part 1. Master your money with a simple budget. Most people think budgeting is complicated, but the truth? It's the only way to escape financial stress. Here's how to create a super simple budget in under 10 minutes. No spreadsheets, no complex math. Step 1, write down your total income. Step 2, list your essential expenses, rent, bills, food, transportation. Step 3, find the problem. What's draining your money the fastest? This is where most people lose their savings without realizing it. Step 4, apply the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Can't save 20% yet? Start with 5%. Just start. Tracking your spending is like a fitness tracker for your money. Without it, you'll never know where your financial health stands. Comment below, what's your biggest financial struggle right now? Let's help each other save more in 2025. Part 2, cut expenses without feeling broke. Most people cut the wrong expenses. They stop small pleasures, but keep making costly mistakes elsewhere. Here's where your real savings are hiding. Tip number 1, negotiate every bill, rent, internet, insurance, phone plans. Call and ask, can you offer a better rate? You'd be surprised. Tip number 2, ditch expensive grocery habits. Buy store brands, shop weekly sales, and never shop hungry. Tip number 3, cancel subscriptions you don't use. Streaming, gym, premium apps, are they worth your hard-earned money? Tip number 4, use cashback apps and loyalty programs. Small savings add up. $5 saved weekly is $260 a year. Tip number 5, avoid impulse spending. Before buying anything, ask, will this still matter in a month? Saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices. Let me know in the comments, which expense is hardest for you to cut? Part 3, make your money work for you. Most people only think about earning, but wealthy people think about growing what they already have. Here's a secret. You don't need to be rich to invest. You just need to start small and be consistent. Tip number 1, open a high-yield savings account. Even 3 to 4% interest beats letting your money sit and do nothing. Tip number 2, invest as little as $5 in index funds. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Tip number 3, use roundup apps to invest spare change. It's like saving without even thinking about it. Tip number 4, build an emergency fund, even if it's $10 a week. That's $520 in a year, enough to handle unexpected expenses. Saving money is not about how much you make, it's about what you do with what you have. Tell me in the comments, what's stopping you from saving right now? Part 4, the game changer, increase your income. Cutting expenses is great, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. The fastest way to save more money? Make more money. Here's how you can earn extra cash in 2025 without a second job. Tip number 1, freelancing online. Even 2 hours a week adds up. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour pay for skills you already have. Tip 2, sell things you don't need. Clothes, gadgets, furniture, turn clutter into cash. Tip number 3, use cashback and referral programs. Get paid for things you're already doing. Tip number 4, ask for a raise. Most people never ask, but the worst they can say is no. The more you earn, the easier saving becomes. Which side hustle are you most interested in? Comment below. Part 5, final steps to financial freedom. You don't need to be rich to save money and build a better future. Start with small habits. Track your spending, cut waste, and grow your savings. These changes may feel small today, but in a year, they'll completely change your financial situation. And here's the best part. Once you start saving, it only gets easier from there. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And check out our previous videos for financial insights.